this video we'll look at how we can record our creation processes in ZBrush. The movie palette is conveniently located at the top, allowing us to easily capture all our actions. This tool makes it possible for us to create stunning time-lapse videos. By simply clicking Record button, the software will begin capturing immediately. Keep in mind that the recording only pertains to ZBrush's internal processes, so any actions taken outside the program won't be included. We can also pause the recording whenever needed, and with the Play Movie button, we can easily play back the recorded footage. The recorded material can be deleted below. Let's take a closer look at the settings. Down at the bottom, we'll come across the title image section for easily uploading our company logo. This will appear for exactly 2 full seconds at both the beginning and the end, as configured here. The duration for which this logo is displayed can be easily adjusted. If set to 0, it will no longer be visible on the screen. An additional option is to implement an overlay image that functions as a watermark, which is positioned at the bottom right corner throughout the entire video. If the opacity is set to 0, it will become invisible. Up here, we can choose whether we want to record the entire software interface or only the stage. Large, medium, and small refer to the resolution settings of our recordings. If we choose Dock and then select Large, we will be recording only the stage area. As a result, anything that happens off stage will not be visible in the video. In the large setting, the entire resolution configured in the document palette will be recorded. Let's look at the modifiers. In this section, we can set the number of frames per second to be generated. Additionally, we can configure the timing for snapshots, which consist of still images captured during video recording sessions. The snapshot button can typically be found up here. Then we can either create a time-lapse recording or make a recording that is based on the editing documentation that is readily available up here. Here's an example. When we click on F-History, ZBrush immediately plays back all the editing steps, along with an additional camera perspective. Another effective method for properly showcasing our work is to create a turntable. Below, we define the axis of rotation for our model, along with the turntable's length, and the total number of rotations. After adjusting the settings, we activate the Turntable button. By rendering our image before clicking the button, the turntable will be generated in BPR quality. In the timeline section, we can also define camera movements. When we click on Show, the timeline will appear at the top. Using the left mouse button, we create a keyframe. Then, we move the camera to the desired position and create another keyframe there. Moving the playhead along the timeline with this slider allows us to easily view the camera animation. Alternatively, we can hold the Shift key and click on the playhead. Once we are satisfied with the recording, we can easily export our video from up here. Another approach is to save a ZBrush movie file that contains all the important visual data elements. In the upcoming video, we will take a detailed look at how to export our objects and maps from ZBrush.